So let me now introduce you to Amara. This is a success navigator. So this is more about your personal mindset. You can grab her by going to the community tab, press clone, and then when she has been cloned, you simply press use, and that will activate. So like so, we go use like that, and you'll know she's ready for use down the bottom. I then said, let's go, and you'll gain the first set of instructions. Now, these are a little bit different to the usual ones, and I would actually recommend hitting the little icon down here, the hear response, and then you can listen to the instructions, because the hear response voice goes very well with this bot.
To invite you to find a comfortable position. Stand up in a comfortable posture, connecting your mind and body. Take a moment to breathe deeply, allowing each breath to ground you more firmly into the present.
So that works really well. And then you go through, and this is asking what activities make you lose track of time, what causes issues what causes or issues move you deeply, and you go through answering all these questions, and it's to help you gain more success. Basically, it's like a life coach, and so it will come back with a bit of a report. Again, you could press a little hear response button and listen to that. So that's quite a unique thing. I've never really seen that done with AI before, but if you're looking for a little bit of motivation, something to pep you up, then fire up Amara and let me know what you think to her success navigating. Does it do it for you?